Hello, my name is Klavs and welcome to a 1000 subscriber plus special. Let's go and talk a little bit about the car, about the channel and everything what's going on. This channel is all about DIY, do it yourself, and obviously traveling and everything that goes on in my life. And I can share it with you if this helps in any way or form or shape. For now you know that I have the Mazda 6 that I'm trying to repair myself or fix myself, and I am not sponsored by anybody. I'm doing this on myself with my own wage or my own earnings, not sponsored by anything. I don't have any background on this. I'm not a mechanic, so this is a DIY channel, fully DIY and traveling, because life is full of surprises and you can travel everywhere where you want to go. So I'm taking with you so I can learn something and you can learn something. It's a win-win for all of us. Let's go talk about the car. As you all are aware, and most of you joined this channel because of this is my 2010 Mazda 6 GH. Now, as I tell you the story about this car, there will be pictures on the side. I'm just a storyteller. The pictures will tell anything else. Now I'll tell you how I got this car, what kind of upgrades I've done. Basically, the whole timeline from getting this car to where we are right now and what's in the future. Now, first things first, I got this car in an auction. This was an auction car, and I bought this for, I don't know, I don't remember, but the all amount with VAT and everything else was 1,100 or 1,200, completely all with the VATs, with the tax and all the fees. So this car was together 1,100. I got this car after a month or a month and a half because I got them to deliver, but they delivered late. Well, it's a different story and some shady things were happening there. I don't like it. Once I received the car, first I did a basic maintenance, because what was in there, it was disgusting, absolutely disgusting. This car was not loved. The previous owner who got this car did not love this car. None at all. They didn't love it at all. So I took it on me to do it myself, and as I'm not a mechanic, I'm a DIY mechanic. What means DIY? Do it yourself. So I cannot call myself a mechanic. I can share the information or the knowledge I have. So if you guys ask me about something that I don't know, I haven't done it, I cannot help. I don't have like 10 or 15 years of experience of mechanicking or DIYing. What I do or what I did and videos you've seen, that's how much I know. That's how much you can see or know. So yeah, first service, and then I started improving the car. Spoilers, this car will be modified. It will be improved and modified. Not the standard version, but improved one, better. But firstly, you need to learn how to fix the standard stuff before you can modify. So that's in the future. I had to clean the interior fully out because it was fully disgusting. The previous owner owned 2 dogs, and how I know that who was the previous owner? They left actually a card. You know the business cards. They left a business card under the seat. Once I took out the seat, I found out business card. I googled it, and they had a Facebook page, like Facebook account. And yeah, it was a girl from a seaside. She lived near the seaside and she had 2 dogs. Yeah, no wonder why the car is messed up, dented, not serviced. Yeah, basically this car was meant to go to a scrapyard for dismantling. And once I was bidding on this car, it was 5 bidders, including me. One was an breaker's yard, or somebody who breaks cars from Bulgaria, Slovakia, or somewhere there. One was another guy, and then it was me. And it was like a 5-minute bid, and I won the car at the end. All the videos you see on my channel, that's how much I have done. The rest still needs to be done. And what needs to be done is all the subframes, all the suspension, the engine needs to be taken apart, redone, timing chain, head gasket, like pulleys, belts, all the suspension. I already said all the suspension. Basically, I want to go over fully the car, so I know the car is 100%, and then I will look around for modification parts, like for polyurethane bushings, some better springs, you know, to improve the car. And I have a vision or an idea of how this car should look once I'm done with it. So there are more videos coming out. And talking about coming videos out, I do not have sponsorship, so I cannot have parts and what I need like this. I need to buy them from my own wage. So that means firstly I'm paying bills, then I'm buying food, and if something else creeps up, that I can pay that, and insurance obviously. And what's left of all that, I'll buy the car parts and the car tools. It's not always they use the tools you have. So yes, how my channel works on, and I'm recording on a GoPro 7 Black, and I have got some comments or questions about the space where I work. That's a rented out space. As you could rent out a garage, I'm renting that space out. So that's a rented out space. I do not own it. Whatever you see there, I don't own it. I own only the tools which I'm using to work on my car. That's all I own there. Now, what the future holds for this channel, what the future holds is as going. YouTube ads, that won't happen. The most annoying thing is when you need information and you're already upset that things don't go right, you're wasting your time, things fight against you, and you go on a video and there's a fucking ad for half a minute or a minute or even longer, and you have to wait. I do not want to do that, so no ads. And I bet some of you are saying, wait, Klaus, that's how you earn money, that's how you earn from YouTube. Not a lot. You do not earn that much to waste your guys' time. I do not want to waste your guys' time for an ad to earn some pennies or some couple of euros. That's not worth it. You know, if I could earn thousands, I would understand it. If I could earn thousands, but it's not thousands, it's pennies. And I do not disrespect you guys that much. I respect you guys because you are the same as me. Exactly the same. You do not pay a mechanic because firstly they'll rip you off, and you know that they'll rip you off because there are some things that you can do it yourself, and they asked in astronomical prices. So in the end, this channel will be free. No ads, so you guys can relax, no ads. How I'll earn money? Maybe by sponsors. If I say maybe, because I have set for myself strict rules. Like if I get a sponsor, there are 2 rules which I want to enforce. I can share with you the information. The 2 rules I have. If the company doesn't like it, I'm not any way or any form with them. First rule, the product must speak for itself. Secondly, I won't advertise it, I won't read any scripts or anything like that. I do not want to force anything on you or make the video longer just because of few $100 or few €100. The most I see in World of Tanks. That's a computer game. This is a car DIY channel. That does not make sense. Why would I do that to earn some $100 or whatever it is to put on my video? Doesn't make sense. So I'm not gonna do that. Not gonna do that at all. For now, I won't be earning money. I'm making these videos for you guys, to help you all out, because we all own this car. We all own Mazda 6. And we all have almost the same problems. I made a channel, Discord channel for us all DIY. It's called DIY Cars. The link is in the description down below. Anybody can join. Anybody with any kind of car. It's not only Mazda related. Let me make this clear to all of you. It doesn't matter what kind of car you have. Car has 4 wheels, engine, transmission, suspension. Things are almost the same. The bolt patterns, how it's attached, or everything else, how it's engineered, it's differently. But cars are almost the same. So it doesn't matter what kind of car you have, what kind of problem you have. Come talk to people to get experience, because us DIY people, we aren't mechanics. We don't do this job every day, day by day by day, car by car by car. We fix our own car. We at least try to fix our own car, because obviously the garages you have around, you cannot trust them because they rip you off or they give you quotes that are astronomical. So I don't see a reason for that. That's why I made the Discord channel. The link for the channel is in the description down below. You can join there and talk about cars. But please don't fanboy about one car. That's the most cringiest, worst things ever. Don't fanboy about one car. Just basically, I have rules there. If somebody will do that, it will be insta banned. Nah, that ain't it. We are here to help each other out and share our experiences. Now, I have received some emails that people want to send me some funds to make the video one or few videos faster. Now, I do not want to accept money, because this is not how I can justify taking money for just a small amount to make a video which is after like a couple of months or half or like 3 weeks. So if you want to help me out in any way, form or shape, I made a throne. So basically for only the tools which I need, the tools I will need to make a video. I do not want to take any money on making a promise that something will happen, and I hate drama. Let's say it this way, I hate drama. So I will make a throne, and it will be in the description down below with the tools I need to make the videos better or make the video faster. If you want to help me out, buy a tool or something like that, go ahead. You are not forced to do anything. You don't need to do anything. I will do it anyway. I will do it with my own money anyway. If you want to help out, free to do so. You don't want to help out, free to do so. Don't care. Literally, let's say it this way, I don't care if you help me out or no. Anyway, it will happen. If it will happen after a week or 2 weeks or a month, for me that just doesn't change anything. Do how you want with this information. Simple like that. What is there to say? I guess that's all the updates I have for you. We talked about the car, about the channel, about that no ads for me, sponsors maybe, but they are on strict rules. Throne, I'm still not sure about the throne itself, because for me it looks scammy. Like, well, obviously you guys know it's not a scam, because I do make those videos. In these videos I prove that I'm actually getting tools, doing stuff. I'll think about it. Let's say I'll think about it. If there's a link, there's a link, but you're not forced to do anything. Better put that money on your own car, buy your own tools, rent a garage, rent a space for you to work on your car. That will be better off than helping me to buy some tools, because in the end also I'll buy it on my own. What else I can say? Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening to my rant for quite some time, but I kept you updated on all the things that will happen on this channel. This channel won't go away, it won't anything happen like that. It's just that it will be straight as it is. I'm not changing anything. And right now I'll put you the newest intro. I will have an intro for the Mazda, so you can see with the sound and everything else. It's nice. See you in next video. Bye bye.